house is what I love. It's one of my main passions, but transformation, it's not always easy.
Oh my God, this project has been such a nightmare.
There are so many variables in a renovation, and as much as you have a plan in place, there are always going to be elements that try to throw a wrench into your plan and test your very being.
Love the way that we designed this, but this has been one painful project. Let's see how it came out.
Much as I love how this turned out, this transformation has been long and so painful.
We made some decisions to open up the space, and I love the way that it feels when you walk in here. It flows so nice. We actually were debating about this, what to do with this wall. We thought about making it all this darker gray color, but I just started tearing this out. We found out that we have brick under here, which is pretty cool. And we ended up keeping the shiplap up top white and just the fireplace, and I love the way it turned out.
The first contractor on this job, and yes, I'm saying the first contractor laid LVP but left an ugly incline between the rooms, which I had said to him, hey, this is gonna be an issue, and it still got laid. So when the second contractor came in, they had to pull up all the LVP, level the floor, and redo the whole room again. This cost us $1,500 more than we budgeted for, and this contractor actually helped us out. They could have charged us so much more for the mistake of the first contractor. But the end product looks really good. It's just not how we planned it was gonna go down.
Oh my God, one thing I'm loving too are these lights. These turned out really, really well. I like this. We're definitely using this on more. I love the way that the flooring and the tile and even just the veining and the countertop, it all flows and blends so nicely.
When we do these renovations, sometimes we find something works well, like a good design combination. But even though I love designing spaces, in order to scale this business and really focus on my passion projects, I like to build out a reusable design palette that can easily be used in another project if we need it.
Oh my God, how cute is this? So the sides of the cabinets were actually a little busted up, and we needed to just do an accent on the side to make everything look good and cohesive. Love the way it's turned out with the dark color. This looks awesome. Also, I haven't seen this stage, so the stager really did an awesome job on this project.
Staging your home really gives the opportunity to highlight your design choices. It helps tell the story of your home by presenting the possibilities of the spaces. Most people aren't visionary designers, so if you can show them what it could feel like to live there and have them imagine their family sitting around the dinner table in their new home, you're selling more than a home. You're selling them a dream.
She brought in a lot of great colors in the palette. Everything just flows. She made the house have a really nice flow. The way she set up the living room, the dining room, and this little table here. Loving it. All right, let's go check out the bathrooms. I'm really excited to see how these turned out.
The average population spends around 182 hours per year in the bathroom. It's not just a place to do your business, if you know what I'm saying. It's a getaway from your spouse and your kids. It's like a 15-minute spa. It's a place to reflect. It's something that people want to be proud of when they have guests come over. So very simple details in your bathroom can go such a long way.
Oh my gosh. I freaking love this. This black, the way that this just adds this little pop of interest in here and how clean this looks with the tile. This is beautiful.
Picking out tile is such a fun process. Standing in the store, feeling the tile, and comparing and contrasting it to the wall and the floor while trying to envision the total space. But not only do you have to think about this one bathroom design, but how it flows with the rest of the house and with the rest of the design. This can be time consuming and not always work out as planned. So it's good to build out your design product templates to use in future projects. Unless you're a design nerd like me and have passion projects where you go in and love to just continuously pick out tile and design templates.
This shower is awesome. I love it. And then check out this vanity. This looks great in here. And then the floor is neutral and it just has little flecks of gray and it really flows. But how fun is this? I love this vanity. Oh my gosh, so check this out. How elegant is that? Oh my God, I love that. I'm gonna have to get one of these for our house. Hey, let's go check out the master, come on. Oh, how cute. Love this. I love this added layer of texture on the bed. This just looks so comfortable. I just want to like hop into bed. All right, now the master bathroom. This was so hard to figure out and configure. We had to move a little bit of a wall. It was a whole thing, but I'm loving how this turned out. Check out this awesome design feature of like just with the mirror and how it's arched. I'm absolutely loving it. We've got a double sink in here. And then check out this master shower. This black herringbone tile is beautiful. I love the way that it looks. It's almost like a little bit masculine in here. I love it. And then you've got your awesome pop of hex in the back. I really love the way this turned out. It feels so much bigger than it is because of the way that it's opened up. This is awesome. All right, let's go check out the Frocks. I'm really curious what the final on this looks like, especially with the staging. Let's go check it out.
Bonus spaces are areas where staging can really tell a story. Areas that are not a traditional bedroom, bathroom, kitchen can all either be presented as an empty space or it can be set up to sell the dream.
Oh my God, this turned out absolutely perfect. I was so nervous about the ceilings and how it would feel when it was done, but it actually looks really, really cool. And the lighting too. We have just the right amount of lighting here, natural lighting. Love this. This little corner turned out so cute. This is awesome. This space is so cool. I almost feel like this is a feature that solidifies the sale of a house.
I love to design and transform a house into something beautiful. But with this project, we had some serious issues along the way. And when the project went from a 3-month project to a 5-month project, it added on about $7,000 in holding fees alone. But we like to focus on the positives and learn from the negatives. This project was a wild ride. Floors being redone, timelines being stretched, budget being stretched, but in all the chaos, we grew so much stronger and it helped us remember to stick to our processes with everything.